everyone, welcome back to your kitchen. In this video, we're gonna make shepherd's pie together, a classic comfort food dish. Before we dive into the recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tasty recipes and cooking tips. Now, let's get started with shepherd's pie. It's so rich and flavorful, guys. Stay tuned until the next video. Have fun!